Welcome to AI Circle by 12Ronnies. My name is Egils. I'm the founder of Full Marketing Agency, and I love AI and the practical side of it. I use it for myself. I help my clients use it, and I teach others of how to use it. And we, together with Simon, are building the AI community under the 12Ronnies. Simon, can you tell more about 12Ronnies?
Of course I can, Eggles. Well, hello everyone. 12 Ronnies are an organization that help people start businesses, and I'm one of the founders of 12 Ronnies. And we have a community or a number of communities. This particular one with AI is focused on helping us launch businesses using this amazing tool. Like Eggles, I'm also extremely passionate about AI, and 12 Ronnies help businesses launch to customers.
Very good. So before we go into details, let me just very quickly share my screen because I think it's very important for you to understand what are the next steps for you to take. So everything happens in our community space. When you click on the link found under this video, you will see this access, possible access. So you click here, then you add your name. I will use my name. I will use my 12Ronnies email at 12ronnies.com. I will choose a password. I recommend adding all these things so that you would also receive notifications to understand what are the next steps and what are the next events happening. It's advisable to add an image for yourself. I already have my image there, but for this example, I will just skip it. I also recommend filling this out. Why do you want to join this community? To learn about AI, because these kind of things are very important. Because if you share this part about you, we will understand better how to serve you and who are you looking to connect with and why. For example, many people are building businesses in this community. I am looking like-minded AI experts, let's say it this way. And these answers help you to build out your profile. Right, Simon?
Absolutely. It's quite important when you're just joining a new community to let people know why you're there and what you're passionate about.
Exactly. So, and that's it. That's all you had to do. I recommend also going through this onboarding steps for the whole 12Ronnies community. For the meantime, I will very quickly just show you what do you have here into the AI Circle by 12Ronnies space. You see that there are 4 buttons. One is the event. So first of all, this is the most important thing. And what you should do as the main thing is you should accept yourself and add it to your calendar. So when you click going, all events in this series, okay, this will send an email to your email address and you can add it to your calendar. Right, Simon?
That's absolutely right. It's events are really the bedrock of communities. People want to meet other people, join events, learn from each other.
Manually, very important. You can click here, add to calendar, and you can sync only this event, click continue, and then click the Google Calendar. In this case, Google Calendar doesn't support.
I think you've already added your Google Calendar.
Yeah. Okay.
But that's fine. That's fine. You can whichever calendar.
And exactly.
Then
So
you can
anyways,
sync your calendar.
Yeah, add to your calendar this event or many other events and you will stay synchronized. If you want to find out more what we are doing, click into the About section. Here you will see about me, about Simon, about 12Ronnies. Chat, definitely you can say hello, write something about yourself. We encourage people to get into the networking side of things and just be active and comment on the posts and yeah, we will share the knowledge and everything here. I think that's more than enough to understand about the onboarding and the next steps, right?
Yeah, I completely agree. The onboarding is very, very simple. You're signing up to this network, this community. And with things like the news feed, everybody should be familiar with news feeds from platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. Very, very similar with that. Everything's integrated so that you can see where your events are and how things can be linked. And you can chat to all the other members of the community. So everything's available in one space.
So right now, what you should do, you should pause this video, go through these onboarding steps. You can click back to see if there is anything you missed into this video introduction. And yeah, you're more than welcome into this community, right?
Absolutely. Look forward to seeing you in the AI circle by 12 Ronnies.
But to go into details, we can have a discussion more about what happens on these calls, right?
Yeah, well, it's not just we putting a platform up that people can just view what's going on the way you see on other social media platforms. We're looking within this community to drive understanding of AI, particularly in the perspective of startups, both early stage and startups that are now progressed into small business. And what we want to be able to do, as well as educate, is get everybody involved through really a series of themes, through a series of AI themes, where some people are really passionate and want to understand about prompting. Other people want to go into other details of AI and how do you develop a customer persona. So these are all the sorts of things that AI is fabulous at doing now. And if you're launching a business, if you have an established business, this is the future of doing all of these. This is the productivity gains are immense. And this is why we want this community to be a learning community and an ongoing learning community with events that are masterclasses, workshops, with content, with quizzes, with polls. So Egils, I share your enthusiasm for
Yeah. What I want to mention is because I've been on so many AI events, and the biggest thing is that a lot of people try to teach or show or have a discussion about how to use AI with your when you're in employment or when for private life and with your children and so many other things. And the beauty of this community is that we focus on the companies who are building their business, in many cases startups, in many cases individual solopreneurs, and on those calls we have discussions, and those discussions are based on the same problems, on the same issues, like about marketing, about sales, and we touch different tools. And in many cases I learn a lot just by some of the members says, well, actually I've tried this and that works. So this community approach to the AI circle and specifically entrepreneurship into this startup world, that's specifically what we are focusing. So the benefits of this is having a not only to learn about AI, but having that group of like-minded people. And you can even like people share their contacts, connect on LinkedIn, become partnerships in ventures. So yeah, that's the beauty where I like this whole community and how we are connecting the 12 Ronnies with this AI and full marketing thing.
and the link to join the community will be in the comments as part of this video. But also, if you want to see more about 12 Ronnies or understand more about 12 Ronnies, you can go to 12ronnies.com. You'll also, on the 12ronnies.com website, if you look in the menu for Hub, you'll see the AI Circle community, and you can click and join it there as well.
Okay, very good. So if you have any questions, you can find me, you can find Simon inside the community. You can message us, you can find our contact information. We're more than looking to connect with as many people as possible, and hopefully you will get the most benefits from this. So yeah, looking forward to meet you in the next event.